For that report and to all the CHPs out there. Asanteni sana. The 2027 gubernatorial succession race is shaping up to be a showdown between governors and their own deputies, and nowhere is this competition tougher than in Siaya and Homa Bay. In these counties, deputies are no longer content to play second fiddle. They have openly declared that they want the top job, setting the stage for a political showdown that could redefine local power dynamics. Grace Nganga reports.
For governor positions ahead of the 2027 general election is no longer abstract in Siaya and Homa Bay. In these two counties, the contest has moved from quiet positioning to open intent, with deputies publicly signaling that they want to take their current bosses head-on. This openness fundamentally alters the political equation, turning what is expected a cautious calculation into a direct test of whether deputies can politically outshine their current bosses, the governors. In Siaya, Deputy Governor William Odol has made it clear that he intends to seek the governorship.
I'm presenting myself for nominations. If there's going to be a candidate that wants to run against me in ODM ticket.
His declaration places him on a coalition course with Governor James Orengo, not necessarily as an opponent in 2027, but as a political actor seeking to emerge from Orengo's long and dominant shadow. Orengo remains one of ODM's most influential figures, with deep control over party structures and elite opinion. For Odol, the challenge is not administrative competence, but political differentiation. Having served under a governor whose authority extends beyond the county, Odol must convince voters and party gatekeepers that continuity does not mean subordination. His bid will test whether a deputy can build an independent identity without being eclipsed by a political towering boss.
I am therefore taking this opportunity and imploring and asking the rest of the citizenry, the rest of the residents of Siaya County to elect me in 2027 so that the Siaya dream can be actualized.
The political fight is not new between the two. They have once faced each other in the race for Ugenya parliamentary seat. Homa Bay represents a similar but sharper confrontation, with a seemingly split between Deputy Governor Oyugi Magwanga and his boss. Insiders say he has intention to go for the gubernatorial seat, positioning himself as the continuity candidate under Governor Gladys Wanga. Unlike Siaya, however, Wanga is a first-time governor with strong national party backing and firm control of county structures. Magwanga's interest into the top county position therefore transforms the deputy role from a supporting office into a political launchpad, but one operating under significant constraint. His candidacy will be measured against Wanga's grip on ODM's network, her incumbency advantage, and her ability to shape the succession narrative long before nominations. What makes Siaya and Homa Bay politically instructive is that the deputies have chosen visibility over caution. They have accepted the risks that come with challenging entrenched power scrutiny, resistance within party structures, and the possibility of early marginalization. Elsewhere, the dynamic is more restrained. In Kakamega, Machakos, Busia, and Kisumu, deputy governors are widely understood to have gubernatorial ambitions, but most have avoided direct declarations. Their strategies remain shaped by timing, incumbency, and internal party calculations. Kisumu, where Governor Anyang' Nyong'o is serving his final term, stands out as the only county where deputy ambition is structurally advantaged rather than confrontational. Grace Nganga, KTN.
Thank you, Grace, for that report. We take a short commercial break. We'll be back with much more.